Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I got a couple of new fish for my 5-gallon fish tank, so here they are. Hope you enjoy. Um, I got this beautiful Goya angelfish right here. She's yellow with black and white. And then I have my other angelfish, which is this black and yellow and white. He might be koi too, I'm not sure. And then I got this gold Panda platy. And then I got a wow, check him out. And give him a little bit of food, and maybe more of them will come out. And then my gold Nugget molly there, and then I got a silver one back here also. And I believe this is a male, and these might be both females, so they might have babies in here. I don't know how to tell a male from female angelfish, so if you know, please comment and let me know. And here's my red gourami. And my blue gourami, he's over by, right here, by the coral. He's hiding behind it a little bit. And a little Meadow, my kitten that follows me everywhere. But here's the blue gourami, he's real pretty. And they all seem to get along really well. They're nibbling now, so they're starting to come out. And here's the platinum white molly. Well, that one's pretty too. I don't know why it seems like my water is a little white, but I think it's just the lighting maybe. My background and my bubbler right here, which I think is really cool. And I also have a filter that runs in it. I like this piece of coral and the blue coral. Get a closer look of the blue gourami, the platinum, and Panda molly. So, and my yellow molly. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 mollies in here, 2 gouramis, and 2 angelfish. So 1, 2 angelfish, and the red gourami back here, and my blue gourami. So that's 2, and then the mollies, the yellow gold nugget, the platinum molly, and then the panda molly. So that's my new fish in my 5-gallon fish tank. I really love the angelfish. They totally make the tank. They make it real pretty. Maybe we can watch one nibble. I really love my angelfish. They're both pretty. And I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. I love you all out there. God bless. Jesus loves you.